So friends, let's color pictures of tame animals that will come to life. The first one is a rat. This rat is holding a slice of pizza. Choose cream color. Edge, color brown. For the topping of the sausage pieces, color them with the colors to give a natural cooked impression, red and maroon. Now color the rat. Choose gray for the inside of the ear. Fur on the stomach and tail color with this. For the body, color it dark gray. The tail and hands are also the same with this color. Choose black for the remaining part. For the tongue, color it pale red.
Want some pizza? It's super tasty. Come on, take a bite. You'll love it.
This pizza best! So cheesy. Totally worth it.